Spring is here in a couple of weeks and I can't wait. Being able to go outside without 4 layers of clothing, longer days, and the warm sun shining down makes me so excited. However, after a long winter, I feel like I'm not the only one who has accumulated some clutter throughout the cold months, and I've gotten disorganized in some or a lot of the areas in my home and life. In this video, let's tackle spring cleaning together and declutter our spaces, and at the same time declutter our minds a little as well to make space for new goals and new aspirations. Let's get motivated together. So while I'm making breakfast, I'm going to talk about my game plan for today. Firstly, I want to start with cleaning each room separately. The bedroom first, which is the easiest room to clean, then the living room, which is the hardest, and then the kitchen. After that, I want to vacuum everything and then dive into organizing all of my clothes in my closet. Something that helps me a lot is watching something or listening to music while cleaning. Recently, I've been loving reality TV, and on Netflix, I've also liked Physical 103%. I definitely need some more recommendations, so please comment down below if you have any that you've been watching recently as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just ate breakfast, did my morning routine. As you can see, I rearranged my room a little bit. Literally right before I was about to fall asleep, I had the strong urge to rearrange my room. This is what I came up with. Let me get better lighting. Sorry I've been absent for a little bit. I actually had some interviews for schools that I wanted to go to in September, and I've never been so nervous in my life for these interviews, and I just wanted to keep a clear headspace. But I don't really know how I did, but I know that I tried my best. I guess we'll know in September if I'll be making vlogs back in school. But since I was preparing for those, and I rearranged my room, my apartment is looking a bit rough. It's a little bit messy. So today's goal is to organize everything, put everything back together, and have a little spring cleaning. I know it's not spring yet. You'll see how messed up my living room looks right now. I'll show you. It just looks super messy. And this was in my bedroom, but I took it out last night because I got this humidifier for winter because my skin gets super dry in the winter and you can't put it on anything that's wood. So I moved this, which was outside there, here to put my humidifier on. I have to organize everything below that. My books are falling off the shelf. It's really not a good look right now. My desk is super messy and it's almost March. I got to put my Christmas tree away even though I love it. So that's the plan. Also, this lamp was on here. I'm going to do one room at a time. So I'm going to start with my bedroom. You can see how dry my skin is, so I put cream on there and put all the books, everything, and organize there first.
I would always be the one who cares, and I will try my very best to always be there. And the stars and moon and sun would all align, and for a million years and more I'd make you mine.
Okay, now for the hard part, the living room. So actually I don't want to put my desk to where it was originally. I just think that it was nice to have it there, but I couldn't work in the mornings because the sun was like glaring straight in my face. So I'm thinking that I'm going to turn this desk around, have it face this wall, and keep the couch over there, but that way I'll have more space in the middle to move and it wouldn't look as messy.
Mine, 'cause all the shades of blue go away when I'm with you. Put a gold frame around my heart, 'cause you
Sometimes cleaning and organizing is a situation where it looks worse before it starts to look better, which is especially true if you're going to do a deep cleaning. But we have to just push on and continue. Oftentimes, I think I forget how fortunate I am to be able to have a roof over my head and that cleaning my space is really a privilege rather than a chore. This change in mindset really helps me personally get motivated and inspired to do my tasks when I'm not feeling my best.
I'd love to hang on close to every word that I could find, 'cause all the shades of blue go away when I'm with you. Put a golden frame around my heart, 'cause you
Hey guys, it's the next day. And I think my apartment has been looking a lot cleaner. Let me show you around. I actually moved my LED lamp to over here so I could have charging beside my bed. The problem with my orientation before was if I put the bed here, there was no space for any side tables. So I like this a lot better. I really want to hang this up. My best friend gave it to me right over here, so it's like a silver theme. As well as, so I put my old night table over here. I really didn't want to throw it out. Oh, my badminton birdies. So I put my nightstand here. It's a little bit broken, but I think it'll do until I move out. And then my desk over here. Last thing I'm gonna do is wipe all of my kitchen table and everything. After this, I should be done with organizing and cleaning and having this nice reset. The way that these chairs are not aligned bothers me. Good enough.
And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. That's when I do.
Okay, so next thing I want to do is try to fix these cabinets. I got these at IKEA, but honestly, they've been breaking over time, and it makes it really hard to pull things out and put it back in.
She asked about you, hesitate every time. Every time.
In the meantime, I'm gonna wash my laundry.
I've never had the best expectations of any man. Got my own explanations on why I'm skeptical and critical when it's good. But this time around, you broke me down like I never thought you could. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm
Okay, so next thing I have to do is clean this pile of clothes and do a little closet clean out. I feel like I tend to hoard free t-shirts because I always justify it like, oh, that could be a sleeping shirt. But in reality, I think some of them have to go.
I like it on this side of love. This side of love. It sounds cliche. Whenever I talk about you, what can I say? You make it damn easy to do.
Okay, the progress so far. A little break from cleaning. Gonna get my eyelashes refilled because they're looking rough right now.
Hey, I think you're cute. Can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of. And I can't stop it, I'm wishing you and I were talking. But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say. My social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my best to compromise. Cause oh, I think I really like how you're always staring at your feet. Pictures only tell so.
Okay, I'm back. My eyelashes are filled. Groceries done. I'm gonna put everything away. Then finally finish putting all my clothes back into the drawer and then take down my Christmas tree.
Hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just
In the end, it actually didn't take much time to reorganize, clean, and tidy everything. I know my apartment isn't the most aesthetically pleasing and I still have some things to organize, but I think it looks a lot better now and it definitely removed a lot of the mental stress from my brain. I hope it inspires you to do something that you've been putting off as well, but at least we're all in this together.
I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.